Hi, I'm Camille Bima reporting for Kids First. Today I'm reviewing the movie Barbie and a Mermaid Tale 2. This movie is about Merlia, the daughter of Queen Calissa, a mermaid and ruler of the ocean. When Merlia is born with legs, she's given to her human grandfather. Soon after, her mother is imprisoned by her evil sister. Merlia swims to Oceania to try to save her mother. You'll have to watch this movie to find out what happens. I like this movie because I love the water, just like Merlia, the star of this film. Merlia is also a pro surfer, and watching this movie made me want to try surfing. Merlia's surfing rival is Kylie Morgan. This story is written by Elsie Allen, directed by William Lau, and produced by Harry Linden. Merlia is voiced by Kelly Sheridan, and Kylie is voiced by Ashley Ball. Queen Calissa, Merlia's mother, is voiced by Nicole Oliver. I recommend this movie for girls 4 through 8. I give this movie 3 out of 5 stars because I thought this movie was too young for me and it didn't have good quality animation. I'm Camille Bima for Kids First. Bye!